What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys have no idea how excited I am to vlog again today. I literally, like 2 days ago, I was like just trying to get all my work done so I could do more stuff. And then yesterday I was sick and I just literally sat here all day. And it was just like, you know when you're sick, it's just like the worst and you can't do anything. But first, a lot of you guys are asking about stickers. So a lot of you guys are saying like, yo, I missed the sticker run. I didn't get any. I want some shirts. I want some stuff. When can I get some? We will be restocking. I don't know when. I can promise you it'll be before Christmas. Second thing, if you placed an order and it has not shown up yet, I apologize. And it's not anything that I had control over. So like literally 2 days after I sent everything out, there was a postage strike and I didn't know there was going to be a postage strike. And I didn't know it was going to affect me. And there's a lot of you guys that are saying like, yo, you know, like the website with the tracking's a little bit off or like something's not really working. The postage strike may have affected some of your orders. I'm sorry if it did. I know some of you guys got your stuff like right away. Some of you guys are still curious as to where it is or why the tracking's not working. I don't know, and I'm really sorry, and I don't want that to be a representation of myself and my product. I feel terrible that it happened to you guys, but I just want you guys to know that it's not like me personally. It's the post office. My neighbors probably absolutely hate me for this, but it's totally worth it. Check this out. I know you guys have heard this before, but like check out like a cold start. It's a Subaru, it's a BRZ.
I hope it goes well for you.
Thank you. I like it when the older generations like understand what you're doing. Like he was just curious as to why I was carrying around a camera, but I feel like there's a lot of people who just kind of think that YouTube is like stupid or whatever, but he was really understanding, which is cool. I also got, this is from Wish. Pretty sure this is a turbo blanket. This says it's from Wish. Honestly, I don't know what it is. 2-hole machine oil pot. Oh, this is a catch can. And then I got something from one of you guys too, which I wasn't expecting. Today I came just to get the Wish stuff. And I got something from Timothy. Will it work today? Hey, first try. All right, something I like to do is open all my packages before I actually install them. And you guys know this. If you've been watching for a while, you've seen some bad installs. You've seen us try and do, because people do a lot of like unboxings, but just the way the project is and the fact that a lot of these packages are from Wish, doing an unboxing when you're planning on doing an install can be very risky. Because you can unbox it and it can be completely wrong and then your whole night's plans are ruined. So I like to open everything I get from Wish right away, make sure it's correct, and sometimes I'll even repackage it for the sake of the video for like an unbox, but I always check it first if it's from Wish. Yeah, it is. Hey! That actually looks so similar to the ADDW1 catch can that I had. It makes me really happy to see someone doing something relatable on YouTube. Keep making rad videos and bringing positivity to the car scene. Nice. So Tim makes vinyl stickers. Holy, dude. You guys see that? That's sick. What color is this? Oh, it's like an oil slick. Look at this. It's like an oil slick silver. Like chromey color almost. Yo, that is awesome, Tim. Thank you, man. I'm actually planning on getting some of these made. I'm planning on getting some of these committed banners made. I just haven't done it yet because like I said, baby steps with the merch, but this is sick. For anybody that lives in like the Florida area and you want somebody to make you some stickers, vinyls, banners, whatever, contact Tim. But this is one of those things that's cool like the first couple times, but don't see this and start sending me banners and stickers and stuff because I can only have so many banners and stickers, right? Like if I put this on my car and someone else sends me one, it's not gonna get on the car. So I appreciate it, but this isn't something you guys should do all the time. This is literally just a collection of things that we have to do, these 2 shelves. Anyway, so today I woke up and I was like, I wanna do something to the BRZ that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. It's something that every time I get a vehicle, this is like one of the first things I usually do to it, and for some reason when I got the BRZ I just never did it. I never got around to doing it, and it's literally for this reason right here. Do you see how like I'm hard to see kind of? I want to fix that. I'm sick of this big fishbowl that I drive around in, and today I want to change that. The only problem with doing that is that living in BC, you're not allowed to have any front window tints at all. When I lived in Ontario, you're allowed to have, you know, like 20% here or 25% here and then like 5% in the back. In BC, you can have whatever you want in the back, but you cannot have anything on the sides at all. It's literally illegal to tint your driver and passenger window at all. But that looks stupid if you just tint the back and not these. So we're just gonna go full send today. I'm gonna hook up the whole car with like the darkest possible tints I can get. It's also something that a lot of you guys have been asking for a long time, so hopefully you guys are hyped. Hey, how are you? Good, thanks. I have an appointment for a walk. Okay, so I just dropped the car off at tint. It said it's gonna take about 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get it all done. I'm gonna come back and get some footage of him doing it. Unfortunately, this was the only place that could get me in today, and my irrational ass decided first thing this morning I needed to get it done right now. So there's not much around here, so I'm just gonna kind of walk around, try and grab a coffee or something. Yo, we finally made it. Got the goods. McDonald's was about 20 minutes away that way. On the way back, I did a time lapse, and now I'm like almost back, so I've killed literally about an hour. So there should only be about an hour left. I'm gonna go back and just check in on him. How we doing? Yo, this is so dark inside. Dude, it is like actually a cave in my car. Oh, he messed with all my seat settings, bruh. This was like the biggest reason, because I do a lot of filming in my car, and like look at the background now. Like it's really, the sun is right here and I'm still perfectly visible, which was a huge issue before. Let me get out of here. I'm gonna go somewhere where I can show you guys a little bit better, where the sun isn't blaring directly on the car, and I'll give you guys a nice little outside look. I'm so stoked, dude. I haven't had tint on my windows in years. It just started raining, which kind of sucks, because I told you guys I want to do like the 100K burnout tonight, but if it's gonna be raining, I don't know if I can, in which case I'm probably just gonna have to do something else, because I don't want to leave you guys hanging on the 100K video. We just got home. I went to a couple spots where I like to usually film and show you guys things, but they were like under construction, or the driveways were all torn up because they're repaving it, and I just can't get in. So let me show you guys what this looks like. It looks so good. I'm so stoked. All right, you guys ready? Ooh, so this is 5% tint all the way around. So it's basically what they would call limo tint. This is limo tint on the back. You literally can't see into the car. Like no matter how close you get, you cannot see into the car. It looks so good. It makes the stickers pop so much better. So that looks super good. And then from the side view, I don't know, man. I love it. I've always loved tinted cars. I just like, for whatever reason, when I got the BRZ, I just never did it. But I think this looks absolutely killer. So if you look through the side window, like, if you're right up to it, you can kind of see in. But I mean, from back here, it's just pitch black. Like you can't see, I can see me, but that's it. Look at the difference between dark and light. Just take in how killer this looks. And this is by far the most illegal thing I've done to this car. Not because it's like super bad, like I'm sure my exhaust is illegal, right? It's really loud. But more often than not, you can get away with that. You just drive by, you know, shift out of gear or whatever. The tints are a little harder, because if it's an undercover cop and you don't really notice them and they see the tint, like you're done. So I'm pretty sure anywhere in the world it's illegal to have 5% tint on the front. Like I don't think you can really have 5% tint anywhere. But especially in BC, like I said, it's not allowed anything. You're not allowed any tint on the front windows at all. So this is definitely a lot illegal, but It looks sick, I don't really care, it'll be fine. Worst case, I just gotta peel it off and I'll get it redone in the future. But another thing that there's a bonus about doing your window tints is like, this is only about a year old. And if I could get a good focus, there you go. You can notice it's like kind of faded compared to if I pull out the center, that's like way darker. And this is like way lighter because it just gets sun baked, right? So another thing too is like, you'll really preserve your interior by doing the windows because it doesn't let as much sun come in and bake on the interior. I put the camera down like 20 minutes ago. I just sat down to do some editing and I can hear the disappointment outside. Bruh. No. I honestly don't know if you guys are gonna get a 100,000 subscriber burnout because it's supposed to rain for the rest of the week. Today was supposed to be the one day it didn't rain. The rain is still not let up, so I decided to do something different for the 100K video. I know it's not like a celebration, but it's almost better. It's like, you guys, if you haven't seen it yet, you should go watch it right now because I kind of just like straight up just opened right up to you guys. I haven't done it yet, actually. I'm about to do it, but I'm opening up to like some of my past, and I think it's gonna be lots inspirational and lots just good for you guys to see, to kind of get a feel more for me, for those of you that don't already have one, and kind of know a little bit more about me and how this all started. So I brought the balloons out in the garage, the 100K balloons that Courtney and Morgan and Emerson got me. I'm gonna set everything up right here and I'm just gonna, you guys just watch it. Damn. That was cool. It was a little weird. It was cool though. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. For those of you that have already seen it, I think that's where I'm gonna end today's video. My throat is really sore. It's been, I think walking around in the cold outside today wasn't the best for me after just getting over a sickness. So I'm just gonna wrap everything up in here. I'm gonna go inside and just kind of relax for the rest of the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are stoked on the new look on the BRZ. The tints are sick. They're killer. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.